Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, just subscribe and leave a comment below, leave a like. I would really appreciate that. Today I want to talk about something that has become really popular on YouTube, and I was really curious to try it. Of course, I bought it by myself. I want to tell you that differently from other people on YouTube, this is not a first impression. I used this tool several times. I fell in love with it, and I'm here to tell you what I think about and how long the results does last. Some tricks, some suggestions. So if you're interested in, keep watching. So the tool that I want to talk about today is the Revlon. It should be the Oval. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the name and the link where I bought it. That was essentially Target. I will leave it in the description box below.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when
I'm a freak for all the tools for my hair because I really love to do my hair. I really love to find new stuff, and I want to actually take care more of my hair, just because it is really thin, and this is the first time actually that I'm able to grow it so long, and I was really curious to see how this tool would have worked on my hair. So just a little introduction, a little description of my hair. My hair is really thin. I don't have so much hair, as you can see. It can be frizzy. It's really wavy. It's dry on the tips, on the ends, but it's oily on my scalp. And when there is humidity outside, I tend to become a lion. No matter if I use a strainer or if I just blow dry them with a brush, there is nothing that can leave them in place. So another trick that actually I just learned during my life is that since my hair is really thin, when I go sleep, I don't know, like when I wake up, like if I straighten my hair, or if I put some mousse and try to keep the waves, nothing lasts. And I just realized that's because my hair is really thin. It means that it creates some knots, then it's frizzy, it's a mess. And I really don't want to stay there and style my hair every day using heat. So what I just experimented, and I saw that works really well for me, is to use a ponytail before going to bed. So what essentially I do, I just do a ponytail in the highest part of my head, like here, and it's not really tight, because if my ponytail is really tight, I'm gonna have a headache the day after. So not really tight, but tight enough to keep the hair in place. And the day after, I can tell you that I removed the ponytail and I don't have sign of anything. And that's another trick that I use essentially in when I go to the gym. Going back to this tool right here, I really love it. I love the fact that you can essentially rotate the brush when you're gonna use it. It's really easy. It took me 10 minutes to straighten my hair and dry my hair. I'm gonna leave you the clip from starting to end of what I do and how I use this tool. But what I want to tell you is I have few tricks to use it the best as I can, as I can. The first one is to try to dry a little bit, like 20% my scalp, like so, this region here, with just a simple blow dry. I do it because I just realized that this tool is it's so hard that sometimes if you keep it close to the roots, just because of course like you want to dry your hair, you feel too much hot. So like it's too much hot, I couldn't resist. So what I used to do in the first step is I will comb my hair and I will just blow dry my a little bit my roots. Then what I used to do with this tool, honestly, if I'm in a hurry, I just brush my hair through without using any clip. But in the clip that you're gonna watch later on, you're gonna see that I'm in this case I want to do a step by step, really precise, and see and show you what I do with precisely what I do when I clip my hair. So another thing is like this tool is really nice to create volume on the roots, and you can actually even use it in the end of the hair to have some sort of curvature in it, and it's really nice. What I like to do is to dry my hair before putting underneath the tool like this, and then brush through, and then going from up like this, and then rotate down to remove a little bit of volume, because my hair is voluminous anyway. And then the last one has to be from down the hair. Another thing that I really like to do in the end is to use this button, that is the cool button, and passing through my hair with the cool hair. That's the trick for like whenever you wanna keep your hair in place. You want to keep the shape that you gave it. The trick is to blow some cool hair. Some cool air. So these are the tricks that I have. I can tell you that I used it a bunch of times. It's really quick, as I told you. Like I have long hair. It takes me 10 minutes to blow dry, and in the same time do my hairstyle. The result is long-lasting. That is something that I was really shocked about, because usually when I use just the brush and the blow dry, like after a few minutes I look like a lion, even if it's not really humid. To go to bed I do that trick, and the day after my hair is sleek, is really shiny. Another thing that I really love of this tool is how it makes my hair shiny. And Another thing, the price. The price is $60 is $59.99 or $59.90, something like that. But you can actually find it for cheaper. You can find it in Ulta, you can find it in Target. I don't know where else because actually, honestly, I didn't check. Oh, you can find it on Amazon. So what I suggest you, if you don't want to spend $59 for this amazing tool, you can just wait a little bit and see, monitor the price on the Ulta website. That I know that from time to time is like $39, or even Target that did the same sale for $39. So this is what I think about it. I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm gonna use it. This is gonna substitute, this is gonna replace my hair dryer. I usually bring it to the gym as well before going to work, and it works perfectly. I was really shocked. I tried different brushes, but this one was the best so far. I tried Conair, I tried other from Revlon, but none of them actually worked like this one. You can reach, with this oval size, as you can see, you can reach the roots. You can give volume. Another thing that I like is it doesn't make my hair frizzy. It doesn't blow the hair in the way that all the small hair on top of it just flow with it. That's one thing that I didn't like about the Dyson, that apart from the fact that it's more than $500, something that I will never spend for a blow dryer, honestly. I just saw that it makes the small hair flying everywhere, and it's for sure it's not something that works for me, because I know that in principle, like, my little hair is going to be frizzy if I even blow dry my hair, giving like too much hair from underneath is gonna make my hair even worse. So that's what I think about this amazing tool. I really recommend it, and yeah, it's something that I purchased by myself, so that's how it worked for me. It really worked, and I'm really happy with this purchase.
I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to beat it up like piñatas. Tell the job to close the curtains. Bad bitch make you nervous.
Chambean pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jordan, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el Latino gang. Yeah, trato de hacer dieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? pinatas. Tell the driver close the curtains. Bad bitch make you nervous.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar. Tú que va medio y se fue de pecho como Ginny Luca. Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tele y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Para, sí, like I'm Lady Gaga. Y no te me hagas, que en cover de vivo tú has visto mi cara. No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que viajes, he escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testa rosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa, es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza. I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah. I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. Big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like pinatas. Tell the job to close the curtains. Bad bitch make you nervous.
Chambean pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jordan, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el Latino gang. Yeah, trato de hacer dieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo, Bobby Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like pinatas. Tell the job to close the curtains. Bad bitch make you nervous.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar. Tú que va medio y se fue de pecho como Ginny Luca. Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tele y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Para, sí, like I'm Lady Gaga. y no te me hagas que en cover de Billboard tú has visto mi cara. No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que viajes, he escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testarosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza. I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that. Diamond district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah.
So that's it for today. I thank you really much that you came here to watch my video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment below. Like is gonna help my channel. It is as you can see, is a new channel, but I wanted to step this game and see what I can do. I love everything that regard makeup, hair, skincare, nails, and I wanted just to enjoy with other people. That's on this platform actually has the exactly same passion that I have in this field. And thank you again for watching, and see you next time.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen?